If you're creating UGC content for your brand right now and it's not converting, I can almost guarantee you, the problem isn't your product. It's not your editing. It's not even your offer. It's that you're guessing. You're guessing what style of UGC works, what kind of creator to use, what tone to go for. And you don't have to guess, because there are creators out there right now making UGC content that people genuinely love. Content that's getting engagement, getting shares, getting sales. And the smartest thing you can do before you create a single piece of UGC for your brand is to study what's already winning. Find the creators who are crushing it, break down what they're doing, and use that as your blueprint. The problem is, finding those creators manually? That takes forever. You're scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, trying to spot patterns, saving videos, losing track of what you found. It's a mess. And that's exactly why I want to show you Lessie AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use Lessie AI to find winning UGC creators in your niche. Study what makes their content work, and then copy that style for your own brand. That's exactly what Lessie AI helps you do. Lessie AI is an AI-powered agent built to find people based on your specific goals. Whether you're looking for UGC creators, influencers, brand partners, talent, investors, it doesn't matter. Lessie AI adapts to your use case. You don't need technical skills. You don't need scraping tools. You don't need to jump between platforms and the best. It now integrates directly with tools like OpenClaw and Claude Code, so you can do amazing things with it. You simply explain who you're looking for. Go ahead and sign up for a free account. Let me walk you through a real example so this becomes very clear. Let's say you're a beauty brand and you want to create UGC-style ads using AI. Before you generate anything, you need to study what's already working: the creators, the style, the delivery. Normally, you'd scroll endlessly through TikTok and Instagram, saving random videos, checking bios, trying to figure out who's actually based in Europe or the US, who's getting real engagement, and who's just faking it. Most of the time, you're going off vibes and guesswork. With Lessie AI, the process changes completely. Instead of guessing, you write a clear prompt that describes exactly what you're looking for. For example, find UGC creators based in Europe or the United States who create beauty and skincare content, specifically product reviews, tutorials, and get ready with me style videos with strong engagement and an authentic on-camera presence. Once you click Find, Lessie AI starts searching across multiple public data sources. This part is important, so let me break it down. Lessie AI doesn't just pull a list of names and call it a day. It actually looks for context and signals. Things like what a creator posts about, what brands they've worked with, what they mention in their bios, the type of content they consistently put out, and how all of that aligns with what you asked for. That's why being specific in your prompt matters so much. When you include details like location, platform, content style, and niche, so you're guiding the AI toward creators who are actually relevant to what you're trying to do. Instead of getting a huge, messy list of random people, you get a focused, meaningful one. Creators who are genuinely making the kind of beauty UGC content you want to study and replicate. After a short moment, Lessie AI starts organizing the results. You'll see profiles pulled from platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, along with key details: names, content focus, locations, engagement signals, and available contact information. At this stage, you're not just looking at data. You're looking at real references. Real creators whose style, delivery, and audience match exactly what you want your brand's UGC to look and feel like. Now let me show you how this actually looks inside the product. As the results come in, you can open individual profiles with a single click, review what each creator does, watch their content, and decide whether their style is something worth studying or copying for your own ads. When you find strong matches, you move to the next step: organization. With one click, you can save selected creators into your own list inside Lessie AI using the Save to My List button. Inside the My List section, everything stays clean and structured. This is especially useful if you're researching across different niches or content styles. Say you're looking at Get Ready With Me creators separately from skincare review creators. Each list stays separate and organized so you can come back anytime, review profiles again, and plan your content strategy without repeating the entire research process. And these aren't random accounts pulled from nowhere. These are creators who are already producing the kind of content that works, meaning you're not starting from scratch, you're starting with a blueprint. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, reasoning. The reasoning feature allows Lessie AI to analyze your saved creators on a deeper level. It looks at each profile and helps you identify which creators have the strongest content, the most authentic delivery, and the highest relevance to your niche, so you know exactly who to study first. You can run this on your entire list or just a selected group. What makes this especially useful is that Lessie AI doesn't just rank people. It explains why a creator is a strong match. You'll see a clear breakdown of the signals it picked up. For example, the type of content they create, how closely their audience matches your target customer, how consistent their style is, and how well they align with what you described in your original prompt. Once your list is ready, you're not locked into the platform. If you prefer working in your own tools, Lessie AI lets you export everything with a single click using the export option. You can download your entire list as an Excel or CSV file. When you open it, you'll see a clean professional table with details like name, platform profile, email, content niche, location, and more. This kind of structured data is incredibly valuable. Normally, it would take you days, maybe even weeks, to manually find, vet, and organize this many creators. But with this, you've got a clear picture of what UGC styles are working, what's bringing in views, or what's driving engagement, all in one place, ready for you to study and build from. And here's the thing. Lessie AI isn't just for finding UGC creators. You can use it to find any kind of lead you can think of. Clients, influencers, investors, brand partners, talent, and even email them. Whatever your goal is, it adapts. But for this tutorial, the takeaway is simple. Stop guessing what kind of UGC content to make. Study what's already winning, find the creators behind it, break down their style, and use that as the foundation for your own content. That's how you skip the trial and error and start creating UGC that actually connects with people. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to try Lessie AI yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Create your account and apply the invitation code to unlock a special offer. I'll see you in the next one.